What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick install of the Shield Glass Plus Privacy Extreme Impact and Privacy Protection Screen Protector on the iPhone 10. I have not installed one of these in a long time. I've done some other screen protectors on my Note 8. They were fairly easy. So let's see how this one goes. All right. This one is supposedly good for your privacy, so when you're using your phone, you don't have wandering eyes checking out your content to see what you're looking at. So I'm just curious. I've seen a few reviews of this one, so I decided to check it out. So let's see how it goes. So basically this right here is a frame to keep the phone in place. You have your dust stuff here, your dust removal sticker. You got your alcohol wipe right there. Microfiber cloth, keep the screen clean. Here you got your Zagg lifetime protection. And Zagg is pretty good. I have called them before to have a screen replaced. So here we go. And this is the baby right here. See how it's nice and tinted? Supposedly, people aren't supposed to see what you're looking at. So, all right, so let's see. So I just picked up this iPhone 10 today, so the wrapper is still on it. So the screen is still nice and clean. So that goes like that. This goes over it like that. That keeps the phone in place. Not a lot of dust on there, but I'm going to use this anyways, just to make sure. Because it would suck to put the screen protector on and have there be dust on the screen. All right. So now, for the instructions. So peel first layer. So then this lines up top here. And the way this lines up, you really can't screw it up because it fits right in there fairly flush, because you have these grooves here to help you line up the screen protector. So that's how that goes in there. And then take this off. Easy peasy. And then there you go. See, you can see it there, but now you can't see it. See me? Now you don't. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Nice and easy. Just how I like it. Nice and easy. Giggity. So, see some bubbles in there, but those will come out. All right. Nice. I like it. Feels good. Doesn't really impact the touch sensitivity at all. So, boom. 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 All right. Looks good. If it messes up, I'll come back and give an update, and I'll be calling Zagg to get a replacement. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.